currently have all of the under panels and all the plastic trim pieces removed. I have them right here. So I had to take this piece off, which was right here, blocking the mid pipe. I'm gonna take the mid pipe off right now. I think it's just as simple as those bolts right there. So there's 1 bolt, 2, 3 that I could see. So 3 bolts here, and I think 3 bolts on this side, which is a lot easier to access. And then I think 1, 2, 3 bolts here as well. So I'm gonna take off the mid pipe right now. For the wing pieces, we have 2 options. We have one which is wrapped fully Nardo gray, and then we also have a crystal black silica one. So just to keep like the crystal black theme all around the flares and then the rest of the pieces, I most likely will be putting together the centerpiece, wing centerpiece, as crystal black. So I'll do a quick mock-up right now. So this is what it would look like if it was wrapped Nardo gray. I'm looking at it, I think black does look better. Just gives it a little bit of contrast. We're probably gonna end up going with crystal black. I'm gonna start putting together the wing.
Monday, Jerry worked really hard this past weekend prepping the car, even though we didn't need to prep so much. So I called Leo, the owner of JD Muscle. He told me that all I gotta do is take off 9 bolts and that's it. Because the last generation's WRX, you have to take off everything and disassemble everything, but I guess for the FA24 it's so easy, you just literally bolt it. So in front of me is the JD Muscle unequal length headers. So what is unequal length? Pretty much right now the car comes with the equal length. It does make more power on equal length, but it doesn't sound as nice, right? All the old Subis, they all come with unequal length, like the VA STI, right? The rumble, the famous Subi rumble. So essentially that's what this car is missing, I think. And a lot of people are talking about how the unequal length will give you less power. I already talked to Anthony, D-Man Tuning, and he said you see very minimal loss, if anything, a little bit gain with the remap. So Anthony is gonna remap the car after we put this on. But today we're just gonna put it on, put back our F1 exhaust. It's gonna sound crazy. Like last time we heard something like this on this car when it was had a misfire.
Dude, it sounds like a STI.
Yo guys, because it's misfire, it sounds like a freaking STI, like the rumble. Oh my god, Jerry, show them the noise.
I was like, this sounds sick. But too bad we couldn't push it, else it would blow the motor. Today, with the help of Leo from JD Muscle, so I'm pretty sure so they're doing pre-orders right now, so you can check their link below. They're really nice guys. So it's gonna be our first collab with them. Hopefully we get more collabs in the future. I'm excited, Jerry. I've been waiting to do this for a long time, because the car's been sitting for like, I don't know, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that. Also, we got new wheels, which we're gonna go pick up possibly if we have time today, we'll go pick it up. But most likely, I don't think, I mean, we might have time, right, Jerry? And Jerry finished the wing already, so you can see we went with the gloss black middle and obviously to match the flares and then the color match on the side. All right, guys, in the package, thank you, Jerry, you get some spare gaskets. So I guess we recommend using the stock ones, so we're gonna use the stock ones. I'm so excited. Like, if you want to mimic this, you have to run this setup, okay? And since we got the new Type R, we're really gonna put, you know, the WRX to his money, you know? I feel like this car is so fast. Like, nothing can smoke this thing right now, especially with the new revised tune we get and a new turbo. But, you know, enough of me talking, Jerry. Let's just look at this. Imagine this came in titanium. Here, Leo, we should make this in titanium. Yeah, so let's just see what it looks like from the stock. Piping's a little bit different, as you can see. Let's go ahead and unbolt everything. Everything's set up already. I'm just so excited to hear this, but let's just do it anyways. All right, guys, enjoy the B-rolls, and me and Jordan get started right now. Oh, let me. Yeah, look at this, guys. Look at how dark it is now, Jerry. You can see. Yeah, we can see. Like, wow, full access. All right, guys, get started. We just spent like 20 minutes loosening up these 2 bolts in the back. Sorry. You sure we can do this? Take your time on that last 2 bolts because it's kind of tedious.
a lot different ways.
Oh, here we go, guys.
Yeah, I'm assuming they took the studs out.
Probably have to, huh? All right, guys, you have to take the studs off in order to get this removed. Let's do a comparison. I pull it off like this. So this has to go in like this. All right, guys, so the main difference is the equaling goes straight down. The unequal has a curve right here on the side. So that gives it a rumble. Interesting how this works. So we'll go ahead and swap off all over the stock gaskets and then put it back on. Header is on. We just did a quick test.
Was it hot?
Yeah, we
it was pretty warm.
a quick 20-second leak test. So we turn it on and then kind of see, make sure none of the bolts are leaking through air. So every time you do install one of these, just double check, right? It does get hot though, so make sure, yeah.
Gas smells too.
So we have the raised mid pipe back on. Now we're gonna put back the F1 exhaust, put everything back, and then I'm excited to hear it. Well, we did turn it on already. We couldn't really hear it because it's so damn loud. It was just all the noises here, but I did hear a little slight difference. But anyways, let's go back and put our F1 in front of me. I'm sure seen this exhaust many times on the channel. If you're new to the channel, you don't know, this is our titanium F1 single exit exhaust in blue. We did have the gold ones, but those are gone now. But here it is, super light. That pipe itself in the front, even the small little J pipe, is heavier than like both of these, all this combined pretty much. It's pretty crazy. So I'll put this on right now, and then we're gonna get some sound clips. I'm pretty excited. All right, guys, so everything is on. I'm so sorry I'm far away because Jersey's using a 35 lens, and then like if I get up close, it'll look hella close. JD Muscle, okay, unequaling headers with a custom J pipe and raised intermediate pipe and an F1 exhaust. So this is gonna be a really clean setup. Tuned by Drunkman Tuning. So I'm gonna get the revised map soon, but in the meantime, this is gonna be it for today. Put the under tray back on over there. And once that's done, we're gonna give you guys some sound clips. So I'm very excited to get a cool start right now. So I'm not gonna talk, let's get into it. Smells terrible. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Hey, show them. Stand over there, Jerry.
Damn.
Hey, give me. Hey, you go try it, let me see. Sounds good? Hey, two-step it, all the way.
It's not warm though.
That's let's do it.
Dude, inside it's dude, sounds crazy. God damn.
It sounds like a STI, pretty much, just like a STI. So let's go get ahead and we're gonna go ahead and give you guys some inside cabin driving and then some flybys down the street. The wheels are ready, so in the next video we're gonna put on the wing and the new wheels, change the liner because the liner looks kind of oof, and then put back our rear diffuser. But that's it for this video. Me and Jerry will give you some sound clips. So shout out again to Leo at JD Muscle. If you want a unequaling header, make sure to hit them up. I'll put the link in the description below. And that's it, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.